Life insurance, they say? Are you kidding? Why would I want to spend my money on life insurance? And I'll say one simple word: fees. How much are you really paying in those fees on your investment? Well, let's start with the S&P 500. In the last 15 years, it's given up 2.694%. If you've reinvested dividends, it's given up 4.657% to you. If you took a $6,000 annual contribution into your investment with a 1.5% fee for those 20 years between 45 and 65, you could expect to have $163,821 in your pocket. However, Forbes has analyzed this and said that if you are contributing into a non-taxable account, you can expect an additional 3.17% cost to your investment. If you're in a taxable account, then you can expect another 4.17% charge to your account. We add that together, and of the $120,000 that you have contributed, you can either have $138,564 or $125,717. Not really what you're looking for. And we haven't even talked about hidden fees. What are hidden fees? Most people don't even know they exist. Well, there's shareholder fees like sales loads, redemption fees, purchase fees, exchange fees. And then you've got your annual operating expenses like management, distribution, custodial, legal, accounting, agent transfer, and administrative expenses. When all's said and done, you always end up with a whole lot less money than what you thought you were going to have. So life insurance? Absolutely. Why not? Who wouldn't want $169,877 over $125,717? I certainly do. Plus, we'll have a face value on top of that. In this case, $373,939. Life insurance. It's a great deal. Call us. We can help. 702-660-7000. 702-660-7000.